What's up, guys? My name is Alex. This is a third video about WooCommerce Product Front Fields plugin, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to work with front fields section on the product form. So let's go on the product form by clicking to add new button. Try to create a new product. Here we have front field section. So let's open it, and here we see two labels: base price, that is empty, and updated price, that has a message regular price is unset. So let's go back to general section and set up some regular price, for example 10. Also we can set up sale price. It will be overridden by override regular price, but let's leave it empty and set up only regular price. Let's go back to front fields, and now we have base price 10 and updated price 10. Updated price, it means price, product price with all fields calculations. Now we have no fields here by default, and let's try to add some fields, our two fields here. We have here also updated price equal 10, because by default there is no any value that is set up by default. So by default, for example, text fields is empty, and it will have only some, it will be bigger than 10 only if it will have some value set up. So for example, if we want to set up some value for the field, we can overwrite existing value, because we can set up some value on WPF field form when we create or update our field, but we can set up some value here as well. So in order to set up some overridden value, we need to click on checkbox in front of override value label, and here now we can set up some value, for example test. Now we have our updated price became 15. Why 15? Because the charge for this field is 5, and if some value is set up, it means base price and 5 plus 5. For example, we can override charge, default charge. For example, it can be 7 and it become 17. Okay. So if we override, we have override charge unchecked, it will be 5 as it was by default, and it has some saved state here. So it's very convenient. What else about this front field section? We can, as you know, we can detach our fields, and after we detached field, we can again add this same field, and everything will be state will be saved. Also, if we have added some field, we cannot add it twice. As you can see, the option is disabled for every field. Also, we can reorder our fields in this section by drag and drop, something like this. And the question is, when we can use this override charge, override value feature. I will show you some example that shows when it works very well. For example, we have a shop with different pizzas, and pizza has different sizes. For example, for this site, if we will go to WPF fields, we will see that we have the field size that has 3 different options: small, medium and large, and there is some default prices for every option. So let's go back to products, and we can see that different pizzas has different price. Why it's so? Very simple, because we can use this override price feature. We open some pizza, we go to front field section, and we can see that every pizza size charge has been overridden. The medium pizza is chosen by default, so we can see this price, and the base price set up as 0, and the total price of the pizza is defined using this size field. So every pizza has its own price for different size. Also, we have another type of product here, create pizza, that has always second field toppings, that is different options for these toppings, and it's also defined some price. So we can set up, for example, for size we can set up some smaller amount, because it's just the pizza without any toppings, right? And user can create toppings by himself for this pizza, this type of pizza. We update, override this size to be to cost smaller, and go to this pizza page, and now we can see that by default it is 20. Also, user can set up toppings, and the price of the pizza will grow up like this, and he can add to cart his pizza, and will have the size and all of his toppings. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Now you know how to work with field, the front field section. On products form, you know how to override charges, you know how to override values, you know how to reorder fields, you know that how to add fields, how to remove fields, you know that this information update after we change charges and after we change default values. So hope you enjoyed, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.